How to listen music together on Spotify. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Spotify application. After that, simply go to the premium, make sure you have the premium version, and you as you can see, you can listen with friends in real time using the premium option. So unfortunately, you cannot do it if you do not have the premium version. Since I do not have the premium version of Spotify, I cannot show you exactly. But if you do, you will get an option of listen with friends, and then simply tap on that option and select your friend with whom you want to listen together, and done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.